Standard 9th, Subject Geography, Lesson number 4, Exogenetic Processes, Part 2. How are the waves formed? They are formed because of the winds and the tides, high tide and low tide. Because of their hitting the rocks at the coasts, because the waves are constantly hitting the rocks at the coasts, erosion of the rocks occurs. In coastal areas having wide beaches, waves carry out depositional work. Deposits happen where the beaches are wide. Moving ahead with the erosional work of sea waves, when the waves break at the coast, when the waves hit the coast, they bring along with them water, transported stones, pebbles, which are small rounded stones, sand particles, etc. This leads to the erosion of the coast. All this deposition, all this erosion happens because of the waves. And because of the chemical and hydraulic action, hydraulic means action because of water. Hydraulic action of the sea wave too, erosion occurs. The pressure created by the sea waves results in erosion. And what does this erosion result in? It results in landforms like wave-cut platforms, which is shown in the second picture on page number 37. Sea caves, the bottommost picture on page number 36. Sea arches, third picture on page number 37. Sea cliffs, right hand side, first picture on page number 37. Are formed because of the erosional work of the waves. All these landforms are formed because of the erosional work of the waves. Now we will get to know about the depositional work of sea waves. What deposits does the sea wave result in? The eroded materials accumulate at the sea bed. Whatever eroded materials are there, they accumulate at the bottom of the sea. And because of the high tide and low tide, they keep on moving towards the coast and away from the coast. Sometimes they are near the coast, sometimes they are away from the coast. They become fine, they become very small because of attrition and hitting each other. Attrition means reduction in size. Deposition of such materials occurs at the places where the effect of waves is less. So wherever the effect of waves is less, the materials start getting deposited. And when they start getting deposited, landforms like beaches, sandbars, beaches is shown in the second picture on page number 37. Sandbars is the third picture showed on page number 37. And lagoons, the first picture on page number 37, are formed due to the depositional work of the sea waves. This brings us to the last paragraph of work of groundwater and the landforms produced. Groundwater means the water which is present under the ground. How does the water get collected under the ground? The rainwater seeps below the earth's surface. How does it seep? It seeps through the porous rocks which are having cracks and small holes in them or cracks in the rocks. This water accumulates in the non-porous layer of the rock. Now the rock is made up of various layers. As soon as the water reaches the layer of the rock which is non-porous, which does not allow the water to go further inside, the water starts getting collected there. And this accumulated water is called groundwater. Definition of groundwater, it can be asked as a short note for 2 marks. You need to write these points. Now what happens when the water goes inside the rocks? The soluble minerals in the water get dissolved and they flow along with the groundwater. This is the erosional work of the groundwater. When the groundwater evaporates or when the volume of soluble materials or minerals is more than the solubility of groundwater, the deposition of dissolved materials starts. If for example, if you take a glass of water, if you keep on adding salt, the salt will keep on getting dissolved in water until it reaches the mark of maximum solubility of water. Once it reaches that mark, if you add any more salt, it does not get dissolved. It gets deposited at the bottom of the glass. Similarly, when the minerals dissolved in water when they reach the solubility mark, the solubility limit, they start getting deposited. And when they start getting deposited, landforms like sinkholes, as we can see on the picture on the right hand side, limestone caves which are made from limestones, stalactites and stalagmites are formed. Stalactite and stalagmite caves are shown on the second picture below sinkhole. See how they are formed, see how they are hanging from the roof of the cave and getting deposited below. This is a natural phenomenon. Formation of such landforms happens because of the work of the groundwater. Thus, the groundwater carries out the erosion, transportation and depositional work. There is also something called groundwater table. The upper surface of the water accumulated below the ground is called the water table. When the water gets collected under the ground, the upper surface of the water is called water table. Factors like seasons, porosity of rocks, how much porous the rocks are, the amount of rainfall that has happened in the area, all these affect the level of water table. When we do borewell in any area, we come to know when the borewell machine hits the water. But still they keep on digging inside, deeper inside. Why? Because what they have hit is only the upper surface of the water. They have hit only the water table. They need to go down deeper inside, because depending on the season and depending on these various factors, the water table may go down. The level of water may reduce drastically. Hence, they try to reach at least the middle portion of the groundwater. The water table is closer to the ground during rainy seasons, while it is deeper in the summers. Hence, when we do borewell, the borewell people, if they are good and honest, they will advise us to go ahead with the borewell only in the month of March or April, which is in the dead center of summers. Why? Because at that time the water table is very deep. Hence, they will come to know the exact level, how deep to dig to have a constant supply of water throughout the year. This brings us to the end of this chapter. If anyone has any doubts, questions or issues, you can get back to me on WhatsApp. Any paragraph to be repeated, please inform me. Go through these chapters and revise them. Until we meet next time, please take care of yourself. Bye-bye everyone.